In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From the main navigation bar, open the CRM area and choose Companies. This is where HubSpot stores information about the organizations you work with, so keeping it clean and consistent will make reporting, segmentation, and handoffs much easier for your team. On the Companies page, look for the option to add a new record and select Add Companies. If you're presented with choices, pick Create New to start a fresh company profile. This opens the form where you'll enter the key details. Begin with the company domain name. Use the root website, like example.com, rather than a long-page URL. Adding the domain first lets HubSpot attempt to enrich the record and pre-fill certain properties, which can save you time and improve data quality. Next, type the company name. Make sure it matches how your team typically references the account to avoid duplicates or confusion across views and reports. Set the industry field. You can search and select the closest fit. For this walkthrough, choose wholesale as an example. Accurate industry tagging helps with segmentation, territory planning, and targeted messaging later on. Choose the company type. This describes the relationship you have with the organization. For instance, select reseller as an example. Pick the option that reflects your business model so your pipeline and workflows stay aligned. Add the city and state. Consistent formatting here matters. Use standard abbreviations, and if the form suggests a matching location, select it to keep entries uniform across your database. Enter the number of employees. Even a reasonable estimate is helpful for scoring and prioritization. If you'll confirm this later, you can still add a range or placeholder now and refine it when you have better data. Add the annual revenue. Be mindful of the currency your CRM uses and stay consistent with how your organization tracks estimates versus confirmed figures. Use the highlight field to capture a short, high-visibility note about this account. Think of it as a quick headline your teammates will see at a glance, such as a key product line, a renewal month, or a strategic note that sets context. If needed, add a longer description. This is a great place for background information, qualification notes, or anything that would help a colleague understand the relationship without digging through emails or call logs. When everything looks good, click Create to save the record. That's it. Your company is now set up and ready for your team to work with. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.